Okay.
So what are you doing?
I'm just going to go 200 RPM. And this is firing up the first thing of the day.
Okay. What's the maximum RPM on this?
That's good. 3,000, 3,600.
I'm thinking probably 4,500. I'll find out.
Okay. Alright, so
can you take it up any faster?
Sure. So this is 400 RPM.
Okay.
We can do 750 RPM. And we can jog the turret here for you.
Okay.
I'm just going to turn the spindle off so we don't have to worry about losing arms and legs. Alright, so we're going to move in Z first. We'll come down. Then back. And then we'll come over in X. Move it back a little bit in Z, and we can index the turret a couple times.
How many spots is your turret?
12.
12?
12, yep.
12 spot turret, 10-inch chuck.
And I can move the tailstock here for us too.
Okay.
So let's go tailstock forward.
It's just a 2-axis machine?
It is.
And can you pull up the hours on the controller on this one?
Yes, let me figure that out. Alright, so let's go. Oh, here, right here. Okay, so cycle start.
And as far as you know, these have never been reset or anything?
Yes.